in both 2i and 2j. You've done everything here before. Particularly 2i, because there's going to be no alarm bells here whatsoever. But when we get to 2j, it's stuff that you could do, but I'm going to sort of teach you a different procedure. Okay? So we've got graphing polynomials. Question 1 gives us a graph of a polynomial, and it says find the equation of this polynomial. So we can see that it cuts at -2 and +3. So the polynomial is going to be of this form. It has y equals a, and then we're going to have times x plus 2, times x take 3, and then it touches at x is 1, which means that is a squared factor. Okay, wherever it touches, it's squared. All right, and you've got the table at the top of your notes page there, which illustrates the different circumstances we have for a root, a zero, a solution. Okay, we also know that it has a y-intercept of 3, which means we can find this value of a. We've got when x is 0, y is 3. And we're going to plug that into here to solve for a. We'll have 3 equals a times 2 times -3 times 1. A is -half, and therefore the quadratic, the polynomial is -half x plus 2, x take 3, x take 1 squared. Okay, and then question 2 just follows straight on from that. Find the equation and sketch the graph polynomial with these pieces of information. Touches at -1, cuts at 2, y-intercept 5. So if you're thinking about graphing it, okay, we know the y-intercept is +5, so that's going to be up here somewhere. Touches at x is -1, so it's touching there, and then it cuts at 2. There's only one possible way that that can happen. All right, it has to be up here, touching, passes through, and then cuts. Cubic, we know it's a cubic because it's got a double root and then a single root. And its equation is going to be like this, isn't it? Y equals a times x plus 1 squared. Okay, touches at 1 and then cuts at 2. And then we'll find a by putting in when x is 0, y is 5. -5. Alright, so we're going to graph it and find the equation. I've done a lot of that stuff in learning methods. Okay, so let's spend 15 minutes going through that exercise and then we'll look at the next part.